Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, why is my belly fat not going away even when I am trying to eat healthy? What if I told you that one simple kitchen spice could help support your weight loss journey, reduce craving, and even help balance your blood sugar? Cinnamon is not a magic, but science suggests it may help your body work smarter. In today's video, you will discover the amazing cinnamon benefits, how cinnamon powder works, and the best way to drink cinnamon water for weight loss. Make sure you stay until the end because I will also share one common mistake that prevents many people from seeing results, the science behind cinnamon. So, what makes cinnamon so special? Cinnamon contains powerful natural compounds, especially one called cinnamaldehyde. Research suggests these compounds may help improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body may use sugar more efficiently instead of storing extra calories as fat. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and support overall health. And here's the best part, when your blood sugar stays more stable, you may experience fewer craving, less snacking, and better energy throughout the day. That's why cinnamon has become one of the most popular natural ingredients for healthy weight management. Let's look at the biggest cinnamon benefits. Number 1, may support weight loss. Cinnamon may help reduce sugar cravings and keep you feeling satisfied longer. That make it easier to avoid unnecessary snacks and excess calories. Benefit number 2, helps balance blood sugar. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes and better appetite control. This is especially important for women over 30 when metabolism naturally starts slowing down. Benefit number 3, support healthy digestion. Cinnamon may help reduce bloating and support comfortable digestion. When your digestive system feels better, you often feel lighter too. Benefit number 4, rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon helps protect your body from oxidative stress, supporting heart health and healthy aging. Small daily habits really do make a difference. How to use cinnamon? Now let's talk about the easiest way to enjoy it. Cinnamon water. Boil 1 cup water. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a small cinnamon stick. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm in the morning after a light breakfast or between meals. You can also sprinkle cinnamon powder on oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or fruits. Simple, affordable, easy to follow every day. Pro tip and common mistake. Here are 2 quick tips. Always use cinnamon as part of healthy lifestyle, not as a miracle cure. Pair it with balanced meal, regular walking, good sleep, and plenty of water. And here's the mistake many people make. More cinnamon is not better. About half to 1 teaspoon per day is generally enough for most adults. Using excessive amounts regularly is not recommended. Remember, weight loss does not happen because of one perfect meal. It happens because of small healthy choices repeated every single day. If cinnamon becomes one of those healthy habits, it may help support your journey towards a healthier, stronger you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Food Book and turn on notification for more science-backed nutrition and weight loss tips. See you in the next.